My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the new ransomware called Annoy. My video will be solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover the files. Before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, text documents, and all other files. Sadly, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this particular Annoy ransomware may be very easily injected into the computer, and definitely it will annoy you because all the files that you store on the hard drive will be damaged and encrypted by this particular ransomware. The ransomware is called like that because it appends this Annoy extension to the file names. As a consequence, it is just impossible to use the files anymore. The ransomware also reveals a special ransom note where it indicates that the ransom needs to be paid supposedly for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove the ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus, such as Combo Cleaner. The best place where you can get it is on the website combocleaner.com. So go to the official website combocleaner.com, download the software, install the program, and then once it is successfully installed, start carefully investigating your system. So once again, the page you need to go to get Combo Cleaner is combocleaner.com. So go here through the official website combocleaner.com. You will see a special green download Combo Cleaner button. So download the software through the official website. Install the application, and then once the software Combo Cleaner Antivirus gets successfully installed, start carefully researching the system. Combo Cleaner will definitely help you to detect and to remove this horrible ransomware called Annoy. So it will remove this ransomware and it will help you to protect your data ahead of time from all further ransomware or malware attacks. And use Combo Cleaner to get your files always protected in the future. After you start Combo Cleaner, the application will most likely first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of all possible threats that could be on your computer. Pay attention to the fact that Combo Cleaner is available for all popular operating systems: Mac, Windows, Android, and iOS. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the antivirus database will be updated first of all, and then the scanning will begin. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how many hard drives are available. It may depend on the system parameters of your computer. Finally, at the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the infections which were found on your system. Based on the summary of threats, you'll be able to know the information about the locations of threats. Some threats can be removed manually, but definitely I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, for instance, there is an excellent anti-ransomware feature which helps to always keep your data protected. You can add certain folders on your system, and the contents of these folders will be always under the protection against ransomware attacks. And Combo Cleaner works extremely and exceptionally well when it comes to identifying contemporary threats like adware, ransomware, all sorts of annoying pop-ups. Combo Cleaner fixes browser redirection issues, and definitely what is exceptionally valuable Combo Cleaner is able to protect your data, all your cherished and valuable information that you store on your hard drive. So use Combo Cleaner for cleaning your system and for protecting your system against all types of malware.